What's going on, YouTube? This is Subaru WRX 37, and this is my new channel and stuff like that. We got the Subaru sitting right behind me. This is a brand new car. I recently just got this. So what I got here is an awesome car. I love this thing. This is my first Subaru ever. It is absolutely stunning and stuff like that. I absolutely love it. So it's this 2016 Subaru WRX. It is a limited edition. It is absolutely beautiful and stuff like that. It is a gorgeous car. Absolutely love this thing. No modifications done to it yet. So I'm making this channel. I want to know like what modifications you guys have done to your Subarus, what you guys have done, the best cooling systems, intake kits, exhaust systems, tuning. I know when I got this car, I know the owner said this thing has been tuned by Cobb. So this is Cobb tuned already, my Subaru and everything like that. But absolutely outstanding, and I absolutely just love this car. This car is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be on a journey with this car. I'm going to be showing you guys the modifications I'm going to be doing, and like I said, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me. Let me know what the best intake kits are, turbo downpipes, intercoolers, you know, whatever you guys tell me, please let me know. But there it is right there, guys, the Subaru 2016 WRX. It is my favorite car so far, and I absolutely love it, and it is something that that I've been looking forward to getting. The windows are tinted right now. And then I'm gonna get some rims for the car. Right now I got Continental Extreme Contact GT rims on the car. Right now the exhaust on the car is pretty much stock right now. So I'm gonna get an exhaust system done to it. But yeah, guys, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, bye, guys.